shot to the hat.
Mark got sprayed.
That was cool, man. The second shot looked really cool.
I think the first one was clean over.
Go for it.
Do 3 more as fast as you can.
You're gonna try to do it again?
Yeah, get yours loaded. You guys do them at the same time.
Yeah.
Do 3 more as fast.
Ready. I think you greased it. Does that thing do it or what?
I'm done.
Who wants to shoot this? Get some rounds and
I will. Try it, Bubba, man. It's like a mule getting on you.
Is it like mine with 3.5?
This is a different recoil.
Here, I got some rounds in here.
It's a more of a buck and you cheat.
Okay, go ahead.
Are you holding it?
I'm holding it.
Pretty sweet.
Whoa. Mr. Water.
Oh. Get out, get out, get out, get out. This is gonna be cool.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is... That was cool.